guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. You know what? It's a little cool outside. We want our comfort food. We are making a red apple pork roast. The two products you will need from our store is the butter olive oil and the star of the show, the red apple dark balsamic. The red apple is beautiful with its dark balsamic. It's got a nice richness to it, and it's just going to add some great flavor to our roast. You will also need 4 apples. We are using Macintosh apples. How do you like them apples? As well as 3 shallots. Now, shallot we continue? It's a terrible joke. Let's just move on. We also have our beautiful pork loin roast we've been ordering lately from Butcher Box. Not a sponsor, but we've really been enjoying everything we get from them, from pork to chicken. Before you start slicing your apples and shallots, you want to make sure you get your cast iron pan or pan of your choice heated up with the 3 tablespoons of butter olive oil, and now we can start slicing up what we need. For the apples, you want these cored and chopped, so let's just cut around the core. When it comes to the shallots, you just want to cut them down the middle, and we're just doing a quick little slice. Alright, so we've taken this out of the packaging. We just want to salt and pepper this before we throw it in our pan. So let's get some 2 taste cranks of our pepper and salt. Now that this is ready, let's take it over to the cast iron pan. Alright, so our butter olive oil is nice and heated. Let's get our roast in here. We just want to brown all 4 sides first. So the top and bottom have a nice browning. We're just going to work on our ends here. And let's do the other side. Nice sizzle. So all sides are brown. We're just going to transfer this to our pan right here. Once that's done, you want to grab your shallots and you want to cook them in all this oil and fat for about 3 minutes. So they get nice and sauteed. While these are sauteing, you want to get your oven preheated to 400 degrees. Alright, you will need 2 bay leaves, so we're just going to put one on either side to make it nice and aromatic for everything. Our shallots are ready, but first we're going to throw our sliced apples in. I know I said chopped earlier, but it's actually sliced. So let's get these in the pan, all around. Okay, so we're also going to throw our shallots in. So then we are going to throw our 1/2 cup of the red apple dark balsamic in this. Right to the top. Let's let that go all in here. You will need 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You will also need 3/4 cup of apple cider. Oh, and our oven is ready. Look at that timing. I'm just gonna get the last of the maple or red apple balsamic on there. All right, so our toaster oven is ready. Yes, we're using a toaster oven because our actual oven actually blew up. Not really blew up, but anyway, we are getting a new oven at the end of the month, and we are going to let this cook at 400 for an hour. While we wait for that to roast up, let's talk to our executive producer here at the Olive Oil Co. Kitchen. Libby, what do you expect from this pork roast? Aren't you excited? It's pork. Oh, give me something. Give me something. Nope. No. Alright, we're gonna let you nap. Now, just a note, we did need a little bit of extra time for our roast just because of the size of it, and we just had to lower the temperatures just a little bit. It's going to be different for each roast. We have taken it out. We can't show you yet, Can't show you yet, but we're letting it rest for about 5 minutes. Oh, the smells in this kitchen, I'm telling you. We have just been starving waiting for this to come out of the oven. Let me cut into a bit of this here. We got a perfect color of cook on the inside. All the juices that came through too. It was nice to see so many juices. I do want to get a little bit of apple with this too. Dig in there. It's a little connected to the fat that's on the top. There we go. Oh man. This roast is perfect. We are gonna go dig in. I hope you guys like this recipe and this video. Let us know if there's any other oils or vinegars you would make with this roast. Put them in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Making a red apple pork tenderloin. I messed that up. Also, our executive producer is sleeping on the job again.